Hello everyone, today I want to raise some awareness about FPVOutreach.com. Of course, you can go right there, you can do your reading all on your own. This has been created by Mr. Tiny Whoop himself, Jesse Perkins, and what he's doing is he's offering something. One, he's offering you the ability to help spread FPV to a community that could probably really use a smile, a little bit of freedom. Speaking of those that young people, children, kids, that are in a hospital and they oftentimes tied to a bed. So what Jesse's doing is he has got sticker sheets. You can just make a donation as well. You can go straight to PayPal, just make a one-time donation, what have you. But he's also got sticker sheets that will have various stickers from around the FPV community that you can subscribe to FPV Outreach, and you'll get a sticker sheet. I believe it's monthly. But the thing about the sticker sheet that I think you need to know is that it's going to have one-off stickers. So stickers that you won't find anywhere else. This channel itself has got a one-off thanks to Heads over at Infinity Loops. He took the time to use his creativity to design a little bit of a different twist on the channel logo and include it in the FPV Outreach. So if you like stickers, and if you like passing on FPV to the community, or you just want to help bring a smile, a little bit of joy, or some additional freedom to people who might really need it, FPV Outreach is going to be the way. Now, how is he going to bring that joy? Well, what he's doing is he's taking the little cars with an FPV camera on it, and he's taking it into these children's hospitals. I think right now he has contact with a children's hospital in Colorado that he's going to work with to bring this in. To put a little bit of a personal note on this, when our middle daughter was, I think she was 8, so she's 15 now, so math. When she was 8, she was in the hospital for chickenpox, and many of you might think, well, why chickenpox? Well, she has been immunocompromised since she was 4. She takes a medicine to take care of a medical condition, and that suppresses her immune system. She's not allowed or not able to take vaccinations that have live virus. And chickenpox used to be something that, if you're my age, that you got, your friends got, and you stayed home from school or what have you for a week, you got over it, generally speaking, and it was just kind of a rite of passage. Well, now kids get vaccines for it, and they never get chickenpox. But so our middle child, she got chickenpox, and she spent a week in the hospital, actually 8 days. She couldn't have guests. Only Mom and I could come up. Whenever the hospital staff would come in, they had to put all the PPE stuff on to come into a room. She was in a room, I think they... Zero something was the name of it. Basically, it's got a kind of an air system that's always sucking the air out of the room and refreshing it. So when you tried to open the door to go out in the hallway, it would really kind of suck shut. You really had to give it a hard pull. Anywho, so I have a little bit of a soft spot for this sort of thing in my heart. Even if you put all that aside, spreading FPV, I think, is something that most of us who enjoy FPV completely approve of, because it's hard for people outside of this hobby to understand what FPV gives us. The simple joys of just being able to release ourselves from the space that we're in and go somewhere else through that flight, and some fun. And if you're someone who flies with others, you get the joy of being with those other people. But FPV Outreach, if you have a little bit of extra coin, you can make a one-time donation. Like I said, you can do the subscription. You can get, I think it's the monthly stickers. Go to FPVOutreach.com. I'll put a link down in the video description for your convenience. Check it out. Please help Jesse pass on FPV to others who could really need it, and get some really unique stickers in the process. That's all I have for you today. All the information should be on FPVOutreach.com for your reading pleasure. So if you have anything to add or a comment, please let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate your time. And thanks for watching.